All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Elliot Live Master Trading Channel. This is October 29th, 2020. My name is Philippe. I'm the trader on this channel. All right, let's get our disclaimer out of the way real quick. We may not trade, but let's get started anyways. Any views expressed in this channel, Elliot Master YouTube channel, those of the author only. Any communication is for informational discussion and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, nor is incentive to invest or an offer to buy or sell futures commodities or a solicitation to buy or sell any investment product / asset class in any jurisdiction. Any views, valuations ever expressed or quoted buy or sell trades are only estimates or subject to change. All investment ideas in this channel may evoke high risk and there's a possibility of total loss or that losses may exceed the amount invested. It is the sole responsibility of the viewer to assure that she or he complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Elliot Master Channel is not a licensed investment advisor or a commodity trading advisor, nor is it licensed as such with any federal or state regulatory agency. Investors and traders are responsible for their own investment / trading decisions, including entries, exit, and the use of stops. The author is not responsible for any loss or damage arising from or in connection with the use of any information from this channel. So if you follow our trades, you're doing so at your own risk. Always use a stop. All right, we may not take any trades. I'm going to take a look at it. We're going to be very careful. The market is very volatile. It already has done a 15-point range and it has only been open for 20 minutes. So it's up and down, up and down. And as I predicted, CL was going to go to 37. Now it's at 35. And when I said that, it was at 39. So that would have been an incredible trade. Too bad I'm not an investor. I'm a scalper, so I didn't take any of that. I didn't take any trades yesterday. So as I saw that it was negative 30 and the rest of the market was already 400 negative. We shouldn't have traded this week at all. We're here to make money, not give money. And you should do the same. If it's too volatile, if it's already positive a certain number or negative a certain number, there's just no way you can compete with the volatility. You just get scalped out. Unless you don't use any stops and you're trading for someone else, then yeah, then you can risk, but still, I do not suggest not having a stop. And that Japanese earthquake, I lost 50 grand in 2 minutes because I didn't have a stop. From that day on, when was that, 2010? From that day on, I've never traded without a stop. And even afterwards, I tried to put a stop on it, but the market was so volatile, there was like nothing in the dome. You couldn't see it. Hopefully, you'll never see a day like this because it's insane. If you're a retail trader, you don't have enough speed to see where the market is. Yeah, it's insane. All right, let's just take a look here. And let's just see if we're going to take any trades or not. All right, let's begin by seeing if we're seeing anything. So usually, not always, whenever you open with a gap, it's usually a wave 3. So this could have been a wave 4 to the upside. we're already negative 12. So let's see. All right, let me do a wave 4 to the upside to see if it has. Okay, so it could be, don't know, but as far as numbers, yes, it looks like it was a wave 4. So that's wave 4 right there. So this might have been wave 5, so it could be correcting now. Yeah, it looks like it is correcting. Okay, I'll try to take a long, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to see if it corrects. So I want to buy it cheap, but if it reaches already 73, I'm out. So I need it to come down first. So it has to stay under. I would like to see it stay under 71.3, but definitely 73. It's not a kill if it goes to 71.3, but it will be a kill if it goes to 73.2. Oh, there it is. Okay, we are late, so I am not taking a long. I'm out. Yeah. We were talking and yeah, it is so volatile. Yeah, I may not trade. There was a small buying opportunity here and a smaller time frame, and it got killed in 2 seconds. There's another buying opportunity now. It got killed again. So there's an ABC here, ABC here, and they both got killed. All right. I'm going to try one trade right now to go short, see if it wants to correct. But I'm not feeling good about anything. If I reach target on this, I may just stop. It'll be 300 bucks and I may be done. So it may want to correct and do a wave 2 to the downside. and this is where it would go. It might be, yeah, this target might be too far, I don't know. So it may stop either at 70.5 or 69.2. So instead, it may do an ABC. If I get stopped out, I may be out. I may not trade. So these are the official targets right here, and I'm gonna move it up as soon as I have a chance. I just moved it down in case it does a runner. So I'm gonna try for this one here. Let's see if we get filled. So we're going for an ABC down. You know, let's start by going here, and then I'll just do a floating stop. And when I say a floating stop, okay, now there's a buying opportunity on a larger time frame. It just did an ABC down. I was looking at a smaller time frame. On our actual chart, it just did an ABC. So we could already be in trouble. Yeah. So we need to see it pass 71.3. So we are in between a rock and a hard place now, because if I lower this, it may want to do a wave 2 up and come down. Then it'll take us out, and but it would be a smaller loss. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna move it to this pivot right here. All right, so we're risking a little bit more than we're 13 ticks, and there it is, gonna take us out. All right, I just did another ABC up in a smaller time frame, so it may go our way. It needs to stay under 73.1. Yeah, it's too volatile. We shouldn't be trading. Yeah, should not be trading. It's trying to make up ground for yesterday, so it's super volatile. Last couple of days I traded because I kind of felt obligated because of the channel, but in my own, when I see it being volatile, I don't trade. So if I do get there it is, stopped out. So yeah. So now I'm negative 140. All right, I'm gonna do a quick scalp here, just see if I can make my money back. I'm gonna do a 10-pointer here, just to see if I can make this money back. So it's just a little correction down. Yeah, this is not happening. I do not want to give any money back at the end of the month. Look at that. Yeah. When it goes up and down 40 to $70, you shouldn't be trading. If it keeps going up 30, 40, down 40, 40 up, look at this. We shouldn't be trading. It picks your stuff right out. Boom. Yeah. Look at that. Look at this volatility. And now the E-minis are making a run up. So, yeah. Well, it did a double top. Let's see if I want to come all the way down and we can make our money back. But I doubt it. I doubt it. Maybe I want to do the wave 2 down now. I should be putting my stop at entry, but it's so volatile that it would just take me out. All right, come on, here we go, here we go. Here we go, 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 go. All right, stop at entry. Oh, come on. Come on. Did it nibble or Oh, it nibbled. Oh my god. Huh. It touched. Look at that. It touched our target. And here it comes down again. All right. We're negative 30. One more time south. And this time, let's see if it'll actually wanna. Come on, come up. There it is. Go, go, go. All right, my stop is floating. I'm ready to drop it again. Come on. All right, E-minis are dropping. This could be it. Here we go. Go, go. Come on, one spike down. Go. So it keeps nibbling at 71.4. All right, here it is. All right, stop at entry again. It'll probably take us out. Go, go. Oh my God. This is insane. All right, we picked up another 10. Negative 110. No, I'm sorry, 120. I'm going to try short from here now. Let's see if we can... Oh, okay, not going short yet. That was... All right, here we go. Minimize my risk. Come on. My stop is floating again. I'm ready to drop it. Go, go, go. All right. Negative 30. Yeah, it is weight. I think I'm just willing to stop right now. Pay commission. Yeah, it's too difficult. Good morning, Tony. Right, I'm going to try one more short from here, and I'm going to, let's see if I, okay. Let's see if I could buy it cheap. So I can go short now, but I'm not sure if it's ready. Oh, there it is. Yeah, we're too late. Oh man, this is crazy. All right. So it's doing a zigzag down. This is a classic zigzag. And now we are at almost a triple zigzag. All right, minimize my risk. We need help from the E-minis. All right. Come on. My stop again is floating, so it just, okay, it needs to stay under 70. 2.4. If it goes any higher, it may have broken the zigzag to the upside. We need it to break and hit wave 2 target. Go, go. Right, E-minis are helping us. So we should have taken the short at 72.8 and just stayed at it, but the problem is that it's the volatility of the E-minis, and that influences gold. When the E-minis are volatile, so will gold be the same way. So all right, still doing. Okay, this should have been a little shorter. We gotta see a new lower low, otherwise it may be telling us it's not gonna go. Right, minimizing risk, and I'm still doing my floating stop. So I'm ready to drop it at least at entry, or 71.2. Come on, go, go. Okay, it could stop at 68.9. If I had a little more room, I will drop it. Come on. All right, E-minis are trying to go up again. And gold is also being influenced by crude. I mean, crude's almost negative $2, and it was at opening. Oh, I hope somebody listened to my crude at $37. They made a bundle. Oh, come on. All right, E-minis are going up. And we are full correction here. Our stop is at a wave 2 area. Oh my God, I don't want to raise it, but I'm gonna have to. So hopefully it's doing a wave 2 to the upside, and it comes down now. But look at that. It may have broken to the upside. Alright, I'm not gonna move it anymore. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out, but I don't wanna increase my losses here. So now it could be doing, I hope it's doing a flat. So a flat will be an A here, a B, and then a C down. So beginning of A, beginning of B, and beginning of C down. And then it will do another A here. So it kind of looks like it broke the zigzag to the upside, but being under 72 now, I'm sorry, 72.9, it could still be a downtrend on this pivot, but it's not looking pretty. Yeah, 8 minis are going up. It's gonna take us out. All right, let's do a wave 2 to the downside to see where we need to clear to confirm that we are on the right side. So here is the correction zone. So if it was a regular day, where is it? I would go and stay on this to all the way down to 57.3, but I don't think it will go there. Come on, keep going, keep going. All right, we need to see it pass 70.1. It bounced off it too, so it may do an ABC up and take us out. That's not what we wanted to see, but it could still do an ABC down, but we are at maximum now. So as long as it stays under 72.5, it's doing the flat. Now I'm afraid that it may do a zigzag up. I appreciate that, Tony. Thank you. And there it is, taking us out. All right, we're negative 190. This is my last trade, guys. I'm still gonna try to go short here. Last trade. Last trade. This is it. Last trade. If it doesn't happen, taking another loss here in the head. Okay, if it hasn't filled me and I see it go up to 73.8, I'm canceling the short. So I got my cursor right on it. There it is. I'm canceling. That's it. Okay, so it may want to go up to 75.8, or at least close. It may want to close the gap, which is at 76.8. Where is it? 76.9. All right. Do we have any reports? I need to go and follow TopStep rules. Let me see. I need to log in real quick to TopStep page and see if there's any rules that I need to follow today. I know they have a calendar. Is there anything? Oh, 7:30. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait until after 7:30. Oh, they have two. There's gas also, but gas usually doesn't influence gold. There's a place in their page that shows which contracts have to where is that page? I don't know how to navigate through their page. Hold on, let me tap it. TopStep Trader. Where is that page? TopStep Trader calendar. Let's see, it takes me there. Event calendar, that's the one. Oh, but it doesn't show up. Even gold needs to stay out. I know they have a page somewhere that it's somewhere in the rules somewhere. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It made a full correction. Okay, I gotta take this trade. All right, I'm gonna wait. Okay, now I'm gonna follow the TopStep rules. All right, but I could have gone for a scalp now, and there it is. I could have just picked up. Yeah. Yeah, I would have gone for 1 point right there. Bummer. All right, where is this rules? I think it's what you could trade and what you can't trade. Our program. Where is it? Here it is. Permitted products during permitted times. Is this the one? Where is this stuff? Where is it? some time looking at this. I guess we just have to stay out at 9:30 also, if we keep on trading. And there, look at that. That's the trade we should have taken. I wanted to go short at 75.3. All right, we have 1 minute here. Yeah, this would have been a nice trade. Yeah, the opportunity we had. Okay, I'm gonna scalp one tick up here. No, too late. I'm gonna try a quick scalp right here, but it may be too late. It may be too late, and it may. Oh, it's gonna fill me. I was going for 1 pointer up. Oh, I didn't wait. Oh my God, I didn't wait, did I? Well, thank God I'm not a TopStep trader. I would have been out, right? I broke a rule. Alright, this is not turning out to be a good day like I thought. Alright, if it lets me out of entry, I'll just pay commission. I'm even gonna go 1 tick lower just in case. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. Come on, go, go. Take me out, take me out. I'm even gonna lower 1 more tick if I have to. Or maybe the E-minis are gonna help me. Yeah, this is not turning out to be a good day. Exactly. 10 ticks. Keep scalping. I'm at 5. 5. Rankle 5, Tony. Good for you, man. That's it. You just want to scalp. That's all. In gold, oh man. In gold, all you want to do is just scalp. All right, I'm out. I'm negative 200. All right. Yeah, if you ever see me take a trade and I'm not scalping, you can still scalp and do 10 ticks. All right, now it looks like it wants to go and do a wave 2, but it could be a higher one. Hold on. Okay, so what are we seeing here? All right, I'm gonna take another short. Maybe it'll let me in at this price here, but I could be going short right now. Let's see. All right, I'm in, and my target is 68.5. But I'm gonna have to raise my stop. But 68.5 is the target. So our stop should be, my stop should be actually at 76.5. It should be above. Did it go and I think it went to I need to look. Oh, it went. So it kept from closing the gap by 4 ticks. 4 ticks. All right, here we go. E-minis are helping us. So if you're scalping, you already have $100. But this could be a really good trade. It may even go all the way down to 66.6. You know what? I'm gonna try that. Okay, advanced trade. You should just be scalping. But I'm trying to make back what I lost my 2 previous trading day. But smart money will just scalp and be happy with 10 ticks. All right. But I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it moving down, but now the E-minis are going up again. Come on, here we go. We're almost to break even. So it just did an ABC down, so it could be a good idea to get out. We need to see a new lower low. We need to see it past 1872. Otherwise, it could be going back up and it could close the gap since it didn't. So I may have to raise my stop to 76.6, which I really don't want to. That's an extra $100 loss. Oh man. and it's at that position right now that I could just do a one spike up, hit the gap, and come all the way down. I've seen this 1,000 times. Oh, I don't want to do this. Okay, do not want to do this. Right, it just reached wave 2 up. Okay, I may just have to admit that it's a losing day and just stop trading instead of trying to make my money back. Yep, there it is. Yeah, not closing that gap was a tell. All right, I got, yeah, see, there it is. There it is. There it is. Yeah, that ABC up. And now it's gonna come all the way down, and I don't want to risk any more money. Ah, it's a tough day. Good for you, Tony. I'm glad you're doing the opposite of what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going for these long targets and just instead of just scalping away. Okay, so just did a full correction up. So this could be the place to go down, and I'm going down with it. And this is gonna be my last trade. Gap is closed. So they may try to do a bull trap here, but it has corrected to 76. So if it's going down now. If you're scalping, you may want to get out at 100 again. But this is the area that it needs to come down from now. And this will be my last trade if I get stopped out. I'm past my losing limit. Yeah, I shouldn't have traded. Like I said in the beginning, we shouldn't be trading today. It's still very volatile from yesterday. See, it's just not the actual day, but it's the following day because a lot of people got caught yesterday. So they're trying to make their money. We stayed out. We didn't trade yesterday, so actually we shouldn't be trading today either. So it's just not the actual day. It could follow anywhere between 2 to 3 days after, because a lot of people lose money and they're all trying to make their money back. So write that down because that is very important. It's just like a stormy day on the ocean. If there's a storm, it takes a couple of days, it takes hours for the ocean to actually come down. It's not just right away. And it's still the election period, so that's even more volatility. So the guy that's running for office, he's trying to make the market look bad, and the guy that's in office right now, he's trying to make the market look good. So it's two Goliath, because they all have backers. They all have people that are pumping the market. Yeah, I try to stay away from actually mentioning names because YouTube, it is censoring everybody. You can't say anyone's name. You can't say anything about the virus. They'll just cut your channel. All right. All right, so we need to see it do a new lower low here. So it has to pass 1872 to confirm that we are on the right trade. If you are short and you're not trying to make your money back, I suggest getting out at 73.8. So it did an ABC up and it went to maximum C, which is right here. So an ABC up. So right here, ABC, and then this here was a buying opportunity, but we were already short, and that's where we got caught. So I actually should have gone out, but I warned everybody that it's a good idea to get out. But I was already stuck in a loss, and I was just trying to make my money back. Right, here we go. So this is the area that you should be getting out. And it bounced right off of our target here. So it may have done a full a full correction, and it may want to go all the way up. All right, I'm gonna minimize risk, and I'm gonna lower my stop. I should actually be putting the stop at 76 even, but I'll be in the danger zone of correction up. If it still wants to go down, it may correct up to come down. So A, B, it will be wave B up, and then C down. So I'm still in the danger zone. Okay, this could be a tail. It's bouncing off of our block here. All right, we need to see it past 72. Let's go. Looks like the NQ is trying to help us out. YM and ES are sideways. And look at that, it's bouncing up. All right, I'm gonna draw a correction up to see where it needs to stay under. So we're borderline safe with our stop. So on a smaller time frame, it just did a right here. This is an ABC right here. A, B starting, C up. So that's a selling opportunity, but it may stop at 72.7 or 72.2. So anytime it does an ABC, it corrects down to where wave A starts. So it started here, so it'll go all the way up and come down. So you can't see it now, but if you go to a smaller time frame, you'll see A, B, C up, correcting all the way down. So it stopped short. So it may not be done, but we want it to be done. We want to see a 71.9. That's what we need to see, 71.9. Come on, let's go. Very okay. See how it bounced off of that number? 72.7. So, all right, we're up 240 on this trade. Come on, keep going, keep going. Go, go, go. All right, there's a big block order at 72, a 46 lot. So they don't want it to go back down. I may be able to lower my stop. Let me just crunch down some numbers here. Yeah, I'm still in the danger zone. Okay, so again, it bounced off of my other target, which was 72.2, and went up. Bounced again. So we need to see that. Yeah, actually, we need to see it go way lower. Yeah, a true number would be a 71. But here we go. All right, we're already 400 on this trade. Ooh, come on, keep going, keep going. Okay, now I'm gonna move my stop to entry. But I'm still in the danger zone. Good for you, Tony. You're doing exactly what I should have been doing. Yeah, you should have a ATM strategy of 10 tick profit. As soon as you enter the market, you should have that target already set. I'm still in the danger zone here, but I have a feeling that it's not done, that we are not done. So it may want to correct up to come back down again, and I'm just afraid it may take us out, and then. But smart money would take a profit now. That's what I should be doing. Look at that. It's going all the way up. As I said it, now it's too late. I may have to move my stop up again. And I'm going to. The only thing that I'm getting afraid of is the E-minis are going up again. And they all went from being negative to being positive. And there's a lot of ground on the upside that gold needs to fill in. Yeah, so now from the low, kind of change a little bit. So our stop is still in the danger zone. We don't need that anymore. That's done. This could be another short opportunity right now. Yeah, it's pretty messy. It's pretty messy. All right, 8 o'clock. We have 3 hours of trading. And there it is. You could have scalped another one tick. I mean, 1 point. All right, we're halfway there. Let's go. All right, we need another lower low here. Let's see if there's any obstacles on the way. There's a big a 28 lot at 71.4 and a 34 at 70.6. All right, now we just did another ABC, so it could be a buying opportunity right now. If we don't see it past 71.7, it could be a buying opportunity. So in my trade, I need to see a lower low. Otherwise, it can go all the way up to my entry point. All right, I'm not liking this. Come on. Come on, show me 71.4. Come on. So you could have picked up another 1 point here, 1.5 already. But I'm stuck in my trade. Right, I'm gonna lower my entry to stop, just in case. I cannot add any more losses, and it may want to go all the way up to my entry or to 77. And it could just take me out and bounce straight back down. But it's the risk that I need to take. I can't add any more losses. I thought I was going to move a little faster to our target, but it's taking a little bit too long. All right, let's see if they added any more obstacles. No, it's free sailing. All right, YM and ES are going short again. This may help us out. So just did another ABC up. So you could have gone short at 73.4 and target is at 71.2. So you may still be able to get into this. But I'll go short now. But advanced trade. So it can go to 71.1 or it can go to 70.5. Well, there it is. That's another point if you're scalping. You could have taken that short. So again, it could bounce off of 71.2 or 70.5. And we'll definitely see a bounce off of 71.2, but let's see with how much power, if it just bounces or if it goes in a little bit. There it is. Okay, is it bouncing? It's not bouncing. Okay, next target. So bounced off a little bit before. So it may mean that it may want to correct up to come down again. All right, so we just saw a new lower low. And I'm almost at break even. All right, let's see how it reacts at 70.5. So these are all tells. You always want to be trying to figure out the puzzle. Is it just going for a correction or is it really going for new numbers? Are we on a trend or is it just trying to correct to bounce back up? And this is, you need to look at it and make your own conclusions. So what did it bounce off? I can't see. Bounce off 2 ticks short. Right? Is that it is? With the wick? Yeah. So bounced off of 70.7 instead of 5, but here it is. It might be coming down again. All right. We're positive 420 on this trade. So it could still bounce off of this area here. So we need to see it go under 1870, because this whole area here is still all support. So from 70.5 all the way down to 70 even is support area. This whole area here is all support. Let me move the chart a little more this way. So this whole area here is all support. I should be moving my stop lower, but this market is so volatile that I would hate to be stopped out and then it comes all the way down again. But smart money would do it. But I'm not that smart. But you should do what I don't do in many things and follow me in other things. So what are we seeing? We're definitely seeing a zigzag down. So A, B, C. And it bounced off of 70.5 on the money, right? If you look at a wick, if you look at a 1 minute chart, you'll see that I went directly to 70.5 and it bounced. Now, are we done? I sure hope not. But there is a lot of blocks at 70.2 and 70 even. There's a 36 lot at 70.2 and a 45 lot at 1870 even. And NQ is not helping us. Thank God, it seems like gold is doing his own thing. All right, I'm going to move my stop down. So this is the reason why I'm not safe, because it never made a full correction up, right? It should have gone somewhere in here. Here it made a full, that's a full correction right there. That's not a correction up. So it may want to hit our target and correct up. And that's what we're betting on. But our stop is definitely at a danger zone. But let me recount this, see if it has lowered some. So it has lowered a little bit, so but we are right at the entry of correction. So we are still in the danger zone. So if it keeps going our way, it will either take us out and bounce, or it can go all the way down to 66.6. So I have two targets on my trade, 68.9 or 66.6. If I was trading two lot, I would have one where I am now and final one at 66.6. So it bounced off of 70.5 three times. Is that a tell, or is that telling us that it wants to break through? All of the E-minis are going up. So if you have not gone on this trade, I would not go. Look at that. I would not go short. So that was a tell. It may take me out here, and all I have is $100. But it's a chance that I'm willing to take. Let me do a little correction here. If anybody wants to go south, advanced trade, but you may have an opportunity, but advanced trade. Let's see. So it could bounce off of this area. That's what I'm hoping on. So if it comes anywhere near this and it drops, it could be, so it already did it. It may be too late, but if it goes all the way up to 73.4, you may have a short opportunity, or even at 72.8. But that's an advanced trade, because they may want to correct all the way up, and then you're gonna have to keep raising your stop. So I don't suggest it, but if you want to risk, you can go short at 72.8 or at 73.4. All right, now they added a whole bunch of new obstacles. So now there's a 32 lot at 70.5, a 34 lot at 70.2, 30 lot at 70 even, and 37 lot at 69.8. And look at that. Bounced exactly off of our second target, and it's going all the way up. So if we weren't caught on this trade, okay, now you could actually go short now. If anybody wants to go short, you could do at least a scalp. But advanced trade can go short at 70 even. I would put a stop at 72.6, and target would be 70.3, or just do a 1 point scalp. But advanced trade, because it can go all the way up to 73.4. But if you got some money to burn, if you're positive, this could be a trade. So it just did a ABC up and it hit minimum C, but it can go as far up as maximum C, which starts at 72.9. Oh, yeah, that was killed right there. So it can go up again from, it should stop at 73.3. But you never know. You never know. So it might have, it might, oh, I was going to say it might be done. I was going to say you can go short again, but the market is too volatile. I don't even have time to call out the trade. But you might still be able to go short now because target is still 70.3, but again, advanced trade, and it just did another ABC down. So you could actually go long now. So yeah, it's crazy. It is crazy. We should have never traded today, ever. And once you do, and you get caught and you're negative, you need to have some good psychological skills to call it quits. That is mostly what trading the market is going against your ego, because you always want to tell yourself, oh, I'm right, I know I'm right, and the market is right. You're never right. You're never right. The market is right. And you just want to figure out what the market is doing, and you just want to follow it. So here is that first target. If anybody went short at those numbers, so let's see how it bounces off of 70.3. It may go all the way down to 69.7 and bounce off of that, but we're getting closer and closer to our target here. All right, we're up 450. We were. Now, but we're almost at break even. And if I reach this target, I'm done. So I wasted all this morning, all this time just trying to make my money back. Which, hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, I'm going to move my stop down. 73.4. So at least I'll have a little more money, but there it is. As soon as I move it, it goes back up. But it still hasn't reached that target, so it might still come down again. Now it's a maximum correction of this pivot right here. And made 100% correction. That's not good. Maybe it's correcting from here, and it's a maximum. So if it's going to go down, it should go down now. But this could also be another short opportunity because it didn't reach target. So you could go short here again. So you can go short at 72. I'll put a stop at 72.7, but high risk, very high risk, especially because it went almost all the way down to target and all the way up. Oh man, don't take me out, please. Wow, look at that. Whoa. That is good for us. But it didn't clear enough. Yeah, this could be positive. It bounced off of. So you could have scalped another 1 point down if you took my entry. Good for you, Tony. That's awesome. Good for you, my brother. That's what I like. That's what I like to hear. I'm here to help, even though sometimes I'm losing money. If I'm helping, it's all good. Good karma. Well, please leave a comment then. I would appreciate that. If you could write a comment in the video. All right, the E-minis and crude are all sideways. All right, so we need to break those obstacles, and they added a whole bunch more. So let's see if there's any at 68.9. 68.9, 24. And it goes all the way down to, yeah, they added a whole bunch of obstacles. So this could be a good sign. So whenever they have these obstacles, usually it's a magnet. Because I don't know if they have it. They may have it, but I think that all they see is orders. So it could be stops. So usually it's a magnet to take out all of these orders because it could be stops. But some MIT kid may have figured out a way to see if it is an actual entry or a stop. I've never heard of such a thing, but maybe Bloomberg has one, or Goldman Sachs may have one. I don't know. But I've never heard of a tool that actually tells you if it's an entry or a stop. I mean, I think it would be illegal, right? But those guys are shady. All right, 8:30. Let's see if the market drops. It's been doing that for about a month and a half. At 8:30, it just drops. That's why I got my alarm, because it's pretty wild. I mean, it makes no sense. And there it is, it's dropping. But it was dropping already, but it's a coincidence that always at 8:30, anywhere between 8:25 to 8:35, the market drops. May not happen now, but I've been noticing that. And I took note, and now I even have an alarm set for it. Right, we're almost there. 2 points away. All right, so we need to clear 70.3 and 69.7. Big obstacle areas. All right, selling opportunity on the ES and YM. This may help us. All right, let's see how it bounces off of here. Oh, and there it is. There it is. Boom. Now, is that a coincidence or what? 8:30 and the market drops. Look at that. 8:29. Ha! Is that crazy? Come on. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Huh? Why? What the hell is it? Why does it drop at 8:30? That is insane. On the money, right? I mean, it was 1 second, 2 seconds before. So take note. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm 140 positive. I'm done. I've been chasing my losses. I should have never traded. And I'm done. That's it. I'm not going to take any more trades. It's too volatile. I shouldn't be in this market. But yeah, I was afraid for a second that we're not going to reach target. But that was a nice trade. That was a nice trade. So yeah, almost 10-point trade. We went short at 75.3 and we covered at 68.9. So it may not be done. It may go another 3 points down, but I'm done. All right. Thank you for joining us. Hope you made some money with us. Please hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll check it out tomorrow again. I don't know how this day is going to end. ES is negative again. YM is almost negative, so it's still very volatile, and I don't think it will come down until at least February, especially if Trump wins. Oh, I shouldn't have said his name. Especially if the guy that's now our president, if he wins, they're going to try to make him look bad again. So it could be bad until at least February. But we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon. I'm out.